Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve step by step. First, launch DaVinci Resolve and create a brand new project. This is your creative canvas. Next, navigate to the media page and import all your video clips, audio files, and images into the media pool. It's a good practice to organize these assets into clearly labeled bins. This simple step will save you a significant amount of time and effort as your project grows, keeping everything tidy and accessible for your editing journey. Once your media is imported, head over to the Cut page. This page is designed for speed and efficiency, perfect for assembling your initial edit. Simply drag and drop your clips from the media pool directly onto the timeline. Utilize the Smart Insert and Append tools to quickly add footage without disrupting your existing sequence. You can easily trim and adjust the duration of each clip using the intuitive editing tools, making your first pass at the story flow smoothly and effectively. For more precise control and advanced editing, switch to the Edit page. Here, you can fine-tune your cuts, add sophisticated transitions between clips for a seamless flow, and explore the extensive effects library. Drag and drop visual effects, titles, and generators onto your timeline to enhance your video's appeal. Don't forget to adjust your audio levels and apply basic audio enhancements to ensure your sound quality matches your visuals, creating a truly polished and professional final product. Now, let's make your footage look stunning by moving to the Color page. This powerful tool allows you to enhance the mood and visual style of your video. Use the primary color wheels and custom curves to adjust exposure, contrast, and color balance, giving your project a cinematic feel. Finally, when your masterpiece is complete, navigate to the Deliver page. Select your preferred export format, resolution, and frame rate, then render your video for sharing with the world, ready for its debut.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.